Well, that's correct. This is a big transaction which Reliance Industries has actually announced by carving out the O2C business into a separate company. This was very well discussed in the market. It is not completely new. The management themselves had spoken about it very clearly. The street was factoring it in. In fact, a lot of reports had also come out on this. But it is incremental nevertheless that now it is actually happening and moving forward. What is also interesting to see how the street reacts to it. The street assigns anywhere around $75 billion or around 950 rupees a share as the sum of parts valuation for this kind of business. And the stock has been in a very tight range around the 2000 rupee mark for some time now after hitting a high of almost 2400 rupees. So now that these plans are actually moving forward, it will be interesting to see how the street reacts. The other thing is that the management control remains with Reliance Industries even after carve out, and they have shown their interest of selling out only a part of this business. So it's just monetization. Along with this business carve out, $25 billion worth of loan also moves from the parent company to O2C. Now O2C is a prized asset, even if the company has shown interest of moving towards more greener and cleaner technology in terms of fuel. But it doesn't, take away the fact that this business is actually a very prized asset. So Aramco, of course, they've shown interest and they're engaged in talks. But apart from that, also several global energy companies are likely to show interest in this business. And they have actually mentioned it very clearly in their presentation that future strategic alliances are one of the reasons why this business has been carved out. Of course, this particular transaction is subject to NCLT approval going forward, but in the second quarter is what of the next year's till when they expect this to happen. But it's a very clean-cut reorganization. All the shareholders will, get the same kind of shareholding, gets mirrored. Reliance retains the majority holding as well. So it is interesting to see how it goes. Also now the way Reliance has clubbed all its technology businesses and telecom business under Jio platform, retail under Reliance Retail, and all the refining, Petchem, Petco, gasifier, PX, PT, all the businesses into O2C. And O2C is actually the area of global interest now. People want entire value chain play as far as chemicals are concerned, and not only refining in isolation or Petchem in isolation. So those things have been reorganized very well in a clean-cut 3 big business buckets as far as company is concerned. So that's the kind of direction they've taken, and this is being read as a precursor for a stake sale to either Aramco or any other global energy major as a strategic partner.